So in this video, we're gonna discuss about that abusing that shell features. So let me that run again that command. Let's find this one, and we have that one more that user local bin SUID environment too. So let's see how can we abuse that shell feature. So first of all, that the user local bin SUID environment, we can check with that how it is execute. So let me that run. So again, it's that same as it's starting the web server Apache 2 HTTPD, and we can check with that string command as well. So string user bin, and we can say that user has been service Apache 2 start. So but for like in sometimes that if I'm talking about that bash version, and bash version if less than the 4.2, so it is possible to define shell function with the name of that resemble files path. So then export those functions so that they are used to instead of any actual executable at that the file path. So we have to verify that the version. So first of all, that bin and bash and then version. So let's try that bin bash version. So it's 4.1.51, and there's a vulnerability in bash versions which less than that 4.2. We can that define the shell function. So we have to create that functions with the name of that user bin services. That's mean that user as bin services that execute a new bash file, and using that hyphen p, so like permissions are that preserved, and export that the function. So let me create. So it's function hyphen user as bin, and then service, and then in brackets it's bin bash, then hyphen p and colon this one, enter, and then export hyphen f user as bin, and then service. And now we have to run again that SUID environment 2 files. So for this one, user local, and then bin SUID environment 2, then enter, and we can see we can just escalate that privileges into that normal to the root user. So we can verify that who am I or ID. So again, we can directly abuse the shell file also, because in like during the that like for the information gathering, we see uh, that we can execute that the function. So we just abuse that file by creating that function in that user SVN services, and we just change the Apache into that bin bash, and we use that hyphen p, so like permissions are that preserved, and can just export that into that file that user SVN that services. And whenever we run that SUID environment, we can see we got that root shell.